Calling all community champions, entrepreneurs and creatives. With ShopKeepEasy, you can launch your very own online shop to make money, without the hassle of manufacturing your items or sending them to your customers. We will do that for you. As a shop admin, pick from hundreds of items, then choose your colours. Then add your logos or designs. After you've created your item, you can edit the shop image and choose the price you want to sell it for on your shop from the pricing pop-up. When an order is made, we deduct our manufacturing and processing fee, and the remaining profit accumulates in your account funds. Easy. Withdraw the money at any time so long as you have a balance of over £100. In addition, we have loads of extra features that you can take advantage of. For example, do you want to give your customers free delivery? Easy. Enable click and collect from your school, club or group. Do you want to sell your own items or second-hand items? Easy. Use our wizard to add your items and your stock levels to your shop, then collect the money online. Want to sell monthly subscriptions or tickets for events? Easy. Launch them on your shop and download your customer lists in the order history section. Are you connected to a charity? Simply collect donations with our donation wizard. We automatically collect gift aid after checkout with an additional 25% fundraising boost. When you're ready, visit your customer shop and share on social media to launch. ShopKeepEasy enables you to sell anything and everything in one place for your customers, members, employees, supporters, parents and students, whoever they may be. So, is it too good to be true? Some may think so, but this club raised almost £25,000 in just 6 months for their new 3G pitch. Simply visit shopkeepeasy.com today. It takes just 5 minutes to register, so you could be up, running and making money by the end of the day. Good luck. But wait. Do you want to set up multiple shops for different groups in your area? Please contact us via the website.